Hi, my name is Brett Johnson from Patrick Volvo Cars in Schaumburg. In these series of videos we call Quick Tips, I give you educational tutorials and quick tips on how to use various Volvo models. Today's topic is controlling your climate system in your Volvo. This covers model 2022 XC90s, gas XC40s, V60s, and S60s, and most 21 or older Volvos with a center 9-inch display. There's two general ways to control the climate temperature in your Volvo. The easiest way is to go to the left or right side of your 9-inch center display and pressing the temperature controls. This will bring up a meter where you can choose either colder or hotter by directly selecting the temperature or pressing the plus or minus. If you sync the top, all zones in your car will be the same, although independently your passengers can control their own climate from their own vents. If you want more complete control, press the auto in the center of the screen and it will bring up the master control of your temperature in your car. You have manual control over the fan, you have manual control over what vents you want the air to come out of, or you can keep it completely auto based on the temperature you select. If at the top of the screen, you have rear climate controls. This will control the fan on or off for the second and third row, fan speed for the second row, and temperature and seat heaters for the second row. One other additional way you can control the climate of a car is through voice controls. Using the voice control button here located on the right hand side of your steering wheel, press and release it. Temperature 71.
Temperature set to 71 degrees.
I'm hot.
Temperature set to 68 degrees.
I'm cold.
Temperature set to 71 degrees.
So whether it's instant access, more control, or voice activation, those are the three ways to control the climate in your Volvo. In addition to front seat controls, the rear passengers have access to their own climate controls from the center console. If you take a look, this lock button just keeps people from accidentally hitting any of the controls. It easily unlocks by pressing the button, and now you have control over the fan speed, temperature on the left or right, and seat heaters on or off. Seat heaters, you press them, you have control high, medium, low, and off. Thanks again for joining us for this edition of Patrick Volvo Quick Tips. Please be sure to like us on Facebook and YouTube. You can visit us here at the dealership at 1600 East Higgins Road in Schaumburg.
Taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick